Aikari a kaunti ya Baringo makoretwo magitetia thirikari ya Gavana Benjamin CHEBOI ni undu wa kiria marauga ni motungata moru thiini wa thibitari iria cia kaunti ino, undu uria utumite mathamire thiini wa thibitari cia andu kiumbe. Oho kuihuro kwa mathibitari no undu ungi uria ukoretwo ukigumira aikari a Baringo, undu uria utumite gavana wa kaunti ino kwarahuka na kwambiriria kugathika mitaratara ya kunina uyuro thiini wa thibitari,
to see if we can also see where we can save on resources in some of the facilities so that we can be able to equip and staff the new facilities where possible.
Akiaria thutha wa kugia na mucemanio na kamiti cia bunge ya kaunti ino na iria irugamagirira ugima wa mwiri, augite motungata ma thibitari makoretwo magithukio ni kwaga kwirugamirira.
To also establish systems of creating independent management of our major hospitals, the level 4 hospitals of Baringo Referral Hospital, Eldamaravin, Mogotio, Chemolingot, Marigat and Kabartonjo, so that these hospitals can be more efficient.
Riu gavana wa Baringo ni aniriirie ati ni agathikite mitaratara na mibango ya kugacirithia ugima mwega wa mwiri thiini wa thibitari na makiria cia level 4 na level 5.
So want to look at ensuring that the laboratories in most of our level 3 hospitals are properly equipped, so that it is not necessary for people coming from remote areas or far-flung areas, far areas from the headquarters, to come for just a few tests which can be done in the level 3 hospitals.
Oho ni augite ni akurehe mashini cia kiriu cia gutigirira ndawa itinathuka, undu uria ukoretwo ugithina munene na ugatuma arwaru mathie thibitari cia level 4, undu uria ringi utumaga gukorwo na muhatikano wa arwaru.
Also looking at managing the drug distribution system, ili madawa yale ambayo tunanunua inaweza kutumika kwa wagonjwa, because sometimes we buy drugs and not all of them end to be used by the patients. They may go elsewhere. We will develop a centralized system of management of the drug distribution system, ndio tupunguze madawa yale ambayo yanatupwa kwa sababu of expiry. A lot of our dispensaries sometimes have drugs that have been there for a while, and because of expiry they get destroyed. We want to minimize drugs that are expired. Any drug which is expired is a loss.
Handu-ini ha ceceni ya Wega TV, Jetagwo Jackson MWANIKI.